video on this channel, guys. To those new viewers out there, my name is Abhishek. I'm a graduate engineer working in Leicester, and in this week's video I'll be going through the 3 key messages from the book called The Atomic Habits, which is written by an author named James Clear. So yeah, let's just get into it. This one of the book is it's an idea called the 3 layers of behavior, which is identity, process, and outcome. And there's 2 ways of looking at it. So you have identity-based habits, which is based on the idea of focusing on what you wish to become. And then there is outcome-based habits, which is based on the idea of what you want to achieve. So I'll be focusing on the identity-based habits. Now, for instance, if your belief is to become a musician and you identify yourself as a musician, in your process, you will create systems and habits that help you build a routine around learning a particular instrument, such as a piano. And over time, the outcome of that routine can end up leading to you becoming a lot more confident, being a lot more efficient, and sort of taking your skill and sort of going into, I don't know, local pubs, playing piano at local clubs, pubs, even competition, or even busk some high street, yeah. So yeah, that's message 1. 2. I'll be using a quote from the book, in which the author stated, "The greatest threat to success is not failure, but boredom." Emphasizes that as human beings, we'll feel subjugated with the idea of desire to change, because as routines become less interesting and boring, we feel a sense of plateau coming in, and for that reason alone, the author is trying to emphasize that even if the work isn't interesting, even if the habit isn't exciting, we should still continue to input that 1% every day to keep it going, because that is what differs a professional athlete from sticking to the same routine over and over again, and prevents someone like, for instance, myself, like an amateur, to let life get in the way from not following a particular routine or particular structure for a long, consistent amount of time. So that's message 2, guys. Is a strategy called implementation intention. Implementation intention emphasizes that by setting your intentions as actionable plan, you do not require that spike of motivation to sort of fulfill those tasks, because you sweep away any thoughts or statements like I want to be productive, or I want to be reading more often. And the way to apply this strategy is a way through this approach. So for instance, I will be reading at lunchtime on my workstation, or I will be meditating at 6 o'clock in the morning in my bedroom. So you specifying the task, and you're creating an actionable plan in how to conduct those intentions, and sort of sticking with those if you want to. So yeah, that's a wrap to this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the 3 lessons I acquired from the book called The Atomic Habits. I'll have the link available in the show notes for if you wanted to get your own copy. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and liking to my channel. And I hope you guys have an amazing day ahead and enjoy the rest of your weekend.